Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power the system to standby and record baseline voltage and signal so you know what changes. Once done, open the access panel and identify booster ports labeled O or B. Use a marker to tag them. Next, use a multimeter at the port to confirm presence of expected voltage. This verifies the circuit and prevents wasted swaps. Make sure to keep hands clear of live connectors while you mark and measure to reduce errors. You now diagnose. Swap the two boosters between ports A and B, then observe whether the fault follows the module. This tells you if the stabilizer is faulty. While monitoring, measure signal integrity. Check impedance, continuity, and noise levels to identify degradation that indicates a failing stabilizer. Once you have data, use a temporary jumper to bypass suspect board traces. This isolates the rest of the system and confirms whether you finish by installing the identified replacement stabilizer and torquing fasteners to spec. Proper mechanical fit avoids micro-movement that creates noise. Once installed, rerun your baseline tests, verify voltage, observe load response under typical usage, and confirm runtime stability. Make sure to monitor for several cycles so transient faults are caught. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist or are intermittent, check and clean all connectors, reseat modules, and inspect for hairline cracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.